So you want to know what Clickbank Marketplace is for? I'm going to show you. So first off, let's log in into our account. And we will be taken to this page right here. Just give it a second. All right. So if we click on Affiliate Marketplace, this is essentially where you get all of your products for promotion from. You earn commissions for promoting these products, and you gotta pick one from here. So I usually go to top offers. You are given the top offers as it says right here. So for example, Arctic Blast, I'm gonna go over some numbers and some abbreviations and what they mean. So gravity score is how popular a product is, right? So 36.60 is not high at all. As you can see right below, we get 567. This is how many, well, not how many people are promoting it, but how popular the product is with people who are promoting it. So ProDentum is extremely popular, means many people will be promoting it and you have a high competition. Whereas Arctic Blast, this one only 36.60, that is a very good score for promotion. The average percentage conversion, this is how much you earn per commission. So somebody buys the product, you earn $84.94 average. Whereas this one with the highest gravity score, many people are promoting it, obviously, because they earn way more. So that is what it means. Now, how can you get the product and how can you get your affiliate link? So if you want to promote a product, first off, you needed to set an account nickname for your account in Clickbank, and just gotta click promote. Now, my account nickname is Nednum, and you want to click on create hop link. Right here, you will get this link. It is rather long. So what I suggest doing is going to bit.ly. It is a URL shortener. Just placing your link right here and shortening it. As you can see, it gives you a clearer, shorter link, which you can put on all of your social media, be it Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. And from here on, whoever clicks on your link will be taken to a page, and from this page, if they buy something, you get a commission which goes through Clickbank. I hope this answered your question what the Clickbank Marketplace was for, and make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.